Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace windshield wiper arms on a Dodge Magnum or a Dodge Charger. It will be the same procedure guys. We have a Magnum and Charger. We are doing engine replacement. So we'll be shooting many videos. As you can see, that's one of the engines here. We're swapping engines. So stay with us guys, we're gonna show you how to do that now. So first thing that we need to do, we need to remove those caps there, plastic rubber caps. So with a small knife or a screwdriver you can pry those open. They get stuck on the nut there actually. Okay, and it's really cold this morning. We just got the car in. It's like 12 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's pretty cold, and that's why it's not so flexible. Okay, that's how you remove it guys. And next we'll need to do the same thing on this one here, on the passenger side. Okay, it came out. So with a 15mm socket we're going to remove the nut. Okay, like that. We have one nut here now on the passenger side, windshield wiper arm. Make sure you don't lose those. And once you remove them, okay, you can go ahead, grab it, and you need to wiggle it a little bit and it will come out of there, as you can see, just like that. Okay, we have one more here, and this one, it's a little bit more limited room, and it's stuck pretty good. Okay, you can see it came out. So you need to just fold it and lift on this side now. Okay, and it comes up like that. And those are the windshield wiper arms guys. That's how you remove them if you need to replace, or if you're working on a windshield or something like that. We have many more videos on that model. We have about replacing windshield wiper motors, so make sure you check out the channel. Please subscribe guys, help us grow. Let's make this channel big so we can help more people as well. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.